What's up? J Street Moto here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if this is your first time. The gang's all here. And we're getting ready to go roll to Lake Lure. I'll be videoing along the way. About 100 miles west of the Charlotte metro area, in the Blue Ridge Mountains, is nestled the Chimney Rock and Lake Lure community, which is it's kind of a tourist destination. I would say it's more a destination for locals, for people that are from the area, than it is like an attraction for folks from other states. But I'm sure folks from other states end up going and visiting this place. For motorcyclists, this is a really cool location to go ride to. So on this particular Sunday, David had hit me up and said, hey, let's get together and ride because we haven't ridden in a while and we kind of need to put some miles on the bikes before we go to Nova Scotia, which is something that we tend to do. We tend to ramp up the amount of riding we are doing before we take a long trip for a couple of reasons. Reason number one would be if something's going to happen with the bike, I want it to happen while I'm at home rather than on a trip. So I'm going to take it further than I'm going to push it further than what is normal for the motorcycle and what it is potentially gotten used to as a machine in terms of how long it's on, kind of operating temperatures, that kind of stuff. So David was coming over to the house. He said Desi wanted to join us, and so she was riding her motorcycle, and of course Juan came. I had hit him up and said, hey dude, me and David and Desi are riding, you want to come? So Juan joined in on it, and on this particular morning my wife woke up and decided, hey, today is a day I want to ride. So she climbed on the back of the bike, not knowing kind of how far we were going. And this ended up being the longest ride Anne-Marie has had on the back of the motorcycle since I've owned it. She went 200 miles today, which was really impressive. I was very proud of her because I don't know that I could do 200 miles on the back seat of my motorcycle. I can certainly do it in the riding position, but on the back seat, it's not as comfortable. And if any of you have ridden on the back, or if you're the wife of a rider and you've ridden on the back with your husband, you can probably relate to this. Leave it in the comments if you can. So we rode out to Lake Lure, which is actually a very gorgeous ride. It truly is. There's a couple of different ways to get there. One of them is a little more tame, and considering my wife has a propensity towards motion sickness, David led us there and back via the routes that were the least curvy. We still had some curves that we got to experience and enjoy. You'll see those here in a minute, but it wasn't the entire length of the trip, which would have really bothered my wife on the back of the bike. So yeah, this was us rolling. This was us getting to Lake Lure. You can see the lake off in the distance there. And in fact, when we stopped at the stop sign, we saw a fellow motorcyclist riding with a pack that, they misjudged a turn and misjudged stopping their motorcycle and ended up falling off the side of the road into the grass there. You can kind of see them off to the side, and their compadres are helping them pick the bike up and get it where it needs to go. That stuff happens. I think every single one of us, if you ride at one point or another, you have dropped your motorcycle, and we all know what that feels like. So yeah, so on this day we rode out to Lake Lure. The intention was, let's enjoy a ride out there and back. When we get there, we'll eat some lunch. So we left kind of early because it was going to be really hot on this day. So I think we left my house at like 10 o'clock. I think we actually ended up getting on the road at like 10:30. We met at my house at 10. I think we got on the road at 10:30. That put us up to Lake Lure around 12:30. We did have one stop along the way just to, get some water, let my wife stretch her legs, let the rest of us stretch our legs, and just kind of, chill out. It was going to be a relaxing day to begin with. It wasn't something where we were intentionally trying to push ourselves to do something insane, So yeah, it's we got there. We ate some really good Mexican food. Can't remember the name of the place. I'll have to look it up, and we need to go back there and review it. I think that's going to be one of our stops on bikes and burritos, because the burrito that I got there was freaking amazing. Everyone else, pretty much everybody else had tacos, I think. Desi had a quesadilla. Desi got a grilled chicken quesadilla. Everybody else had tacos of one shape or another. So yeah, this was a typical Sunday afternoon for us, and we enjoyed riding up there. Lake Lure is one of those places, you can see it now as you're pulling into kind of where the majority of the businesses and hotels and restaurants, etc., are, and really where I would say the majority of the where people go and hang out when they go there. It feels very Bavarian in nature. You honestly could be somewhere in Germany, pulling up beside a lake in the middle of the mountains somewhere. And it has that kind of vibe to it, that feel to it. Like I said, it is a popular destination for folks, but it's one that is lesser known. So that means it's never quite as crowded as some of the other locations in that are within a couple of 100 miles of Charlotte that we could go and visit in a day. Well, on this day in particular, we ended up, took us about an hour to eat, and then we're starting to make our way home. So we left the house at like 10:30, and I think we came home at about 4 o'clock, maybe, we got home. So it was a good day out on the bike. By the time we got home, Anne-Marie was very much interested in getting off the motorcycle and staying off of it for a little while because her booty was sore. But but she had a smile on her face and she enjoyed it. So that's all part of the thing, right? We go to ride, we want to have fun, and I really enjoy it. I don't know about you guys, but I freaking enjoy it when my wife wakes up and tells me, "Hey, let's go ride today. I wanna go spend time with you on the bike doing what you like to do," even though that's not her favorite thing to do. And that really, I think it's one of the reasons we've been married for so long, is because we both do, or we support each other's crazies, is a good way to put it. I guess I support what she likes to do, she supports what I like to do, and I think that's the success to any success, or that's the secret to any successful relationship. Not that this is a relationship channel. So if you're ever in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, or you're going to be in or around Lake Lure, I suggest you go check them out. It's a really, really cool freaking place. They do have a Harley shop right in the middle of town. Now, it is not a traditional Harley dealership, meaning they don't sell any motorcycles there. It is just a Harley merchandise shop that's there. But it's still a cool place to go visit, and it has that feel of it has that feel that goes with where we are in the mountains. So I mentioned we were ramping up for Nova Scotia, and we are. We're very much in full on plan and preparation mode for that trip. But we had shortly after this video, like the next day, that's when I did the video I released last week, where I showed you how to replace the fuel injector in a Harley Davidson M8 motor. This was the day before that. So we are prepping for Nova Scotia. All of us are excited about the trip. It was a big topic of conversation while we were at lunch. In fact, I spent some time in this video practicing different kinds of ways to capture stuff, and this is one of them. Decided I wanted to be able to capture the folks I was riding with as I passed them, and so I thought that I could do it with the 360 camera, and I was successful. So there it is. We will be, at this point, I am about 3 weeks. I think it's about 3 weeks from when we leave for Nova Scotia. So you'll be seeing in upcoming videos on the channel, I'm going to show you how we load the bikes out, or at least how I load my bike out, how I pack for the trip, what I decide to bring and why I choose to bring it, those kinds of things. I'm also going to do a couple of product reviews that will drop while we are on the trip. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this ride along with us today, enjoyed some of the scenery, and you learned something about a place that you potentially could ride to when you come to North Carolina. We're back from our ride, and it's a beautiful day.
It's hot. It's really hot here. And I just want to give a shout out to my wife because I'm very proud of her. She rode, this is the longest she's been on the back of the bike in one day. She did a little more than 200 miles today with me, and I was pretty impressed because sitting on the back is not that comfortable, not that fun. We rode up there, had some Mexican food. We rode up to Lake Lure, had some Mexican food. Then enjoyed the twisty roads all the way back home. Yeah, so it was a pretty good day. It's a pretty good Sunday. Tomorrow is the day before the 4th of July, and tomorrow is when I'm going to change the front fuel injector in Darla. So, and I'll record that. So I'm going to be doing that tomorrow, I think. Because I want the bike all buttoned back up so I can go ride on the 4th. Because I really want to ride on the 4th. But yeah, so like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share with your friends, and always ride safe.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah. Asshole.